Hey guys, so I'm going to do a unboxing-ish. I've already opened the box. Just had to make sure that nothing was broken in it. Came from Amazon, so what we got today from Amazon is some new toys for the channel. SD card. Let's see. A charging display base, which, if you can't figure it out from there, we may have purchased a drone. So we'll put that down here. And then we have the DJI Mini 2, and this is the Fly More combo. So it has some additional batteries, a charger, some extra propellers, carrying case, just a few extra things. So we will definitely get to have some more fun now that we're going to get some different shots for sure. The drone itself, which has some stickers on it, things I need to take off. Nothing out of the ordinary. The 3-pack charger can fit all three. I believe one battery is in the drone. It has both an in and an output, and it can actually act as a power bank, which is kind of nice. Then finally there's the controller itself. The controller does have the sticks in a storable place, which to me is quite nice. Overall, controller feels really nice in the hand. The next piece that we need to do is get it all together so that we can get it up in the air. While those might not have been the best clips, I am new at flying this drone. So, take it for what it's worth. The DJI Mini 2 definitely flies way better than any drone, helicopter, anything I've ever flown before. The video, so nice. I couldn't wait any longer to get this out there. I wanted to get better clips. I just couldn't. Not with what skills I currently have. I figured I couldn't let my buddy Mario wait any longer for the next video. So, here you are. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps me out. Shoot me a comment. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see if I can address them. Thanks!